Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short a stock right here on eToro. And if you want to do this, we go right here to our eToro and then we search here in the bar for something like Tesla. Then we click on the stocks Nasdaq Tesla, this is fine. And then what we're going to do right here is we can go to the chart to do a technical analysis if you want to do that. But let's say we want to short, we select right here the red one. And then what we're going to do is fill in right here for how much money you want to short. So let's short for 1K. You can also switch this to shares and then fill in, for example, just one share if you want to do that. Then what we're going to do is select leverage 1. We have a take profit and a stop loss right here to do on risk management. So that is fine. And then we can click right here on short. Now the order is filled right here. And if you go to our portfolio and click on Tesla, you will find right here the order that we created. So this is exactly how we can short a stock right here on eToro. If you want to close it, you can click right here on close and click on close trade. But this is what you need to know to short a stock. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.